guys, we just won 1,200 jackpot on the Tiki Pipe. We're just seeing if I can get in at 5. 15. Come on, baby. Doesn't look like it. One more. All right, guys, let's go down to 1. Go 250. He just won 1,200 on a $5 bet.
Nice.
Just recent. So that's cool.
Now it's up to 20,000 for the grand.
Wow, that's what we want. Here we go. So 375, 5 times. That's the best one. We need more big ones like the major. Let's get to 723. The minor is 250. Come on, baby, go. Hello. Again, go. Mini, $50. We love it. How about that major? How about the grand? 20 grand. I'll take it. I want it. One more. One, go. Okay, good. Go, baby, go. Come on, go. Go, go. One more. One more. Go, 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 go. Yeah, we got it. Go. Come on, let's go. One more. One more, baby, go. Come on, no. Go, go. No, I don't see it. Darn it. So that's okay, guys. That's pretty good. Nice. Thank you. Let's do it again. We want to do it again. Where are my cases though, huh? Cases, cases. Okay, one more. Let's go to 625. Oh. I hope. 10 cents. 53, I'll take it. Yeah, let's go. One more, one more, one more. Oh, come on, baby. Let's go. We got it. Come on now. How about a $5? Give me a $5. Oh, no. Come on, baby. Give me a 750. Nah, it doesn't want to do it. Darn. I'll try 5 again. Now remember, I went in earlier and there was nothing. We need those cases, right? Actually, I prefer those. The cases can always be nasty. Come on, babe. I don't like it. Let's go to 10 one time or 2. Okay, that's good. $30. Do it again. Come on, one more. Now I gotta get it out. Go to 15 one time. Oh, look at those cases. It won't do the cases. I mean, 1 cent, because you can get big orbs that way. That's $7.75. We're gonna go up to $5 now. Nice. Good. Where are the cases? It's not being cooperative. Darn. Come on, one more. One more. Oh. Oh, guys. I don't think it's going to do it on this penny. Do I wish so? Look at those 275. Okay, it's not. Let's try 6. Come on, 6. One more. Go. It's just not doing it. Barely getting anything. Well, 150, 1 penny. It's okay. We want that major. Look at that. Let's get it. Okay, 750. We're rich. Let's go. Okay, drop me a big one. Minor is 50. Ba, ba, ba. Uh-oh. Can we get one more? Oh, baby. $7. Okay, we gotta do more now. Come on, baby. $10. Well, I lost the free play I had. So there's my own money in there. It hasn't been hitting that often. That one was hitting a lot. All right, we got 5 times that, so that's $12. Come on, fill her up, baby. Get the major. I need that major, 726. Let's go. Go, go. Drop it. Come on. Corner. Corner. At this point, we'll take anything. 5 cent in on now. Go. Whack it out. All right. Not a lot. What do you think? $30? Okay, close. We got 35. All right, that's fine. Okay, 4. Come on, babe. Come on, more. You hear that major? You love it. Okay. Let's go here. It likes 5 cents. 5 cents in on. I hit first on 375 and then now twice on 125. But I haven't gotten anything huge. We want huge. Come on. Case. Give me a chippy doo. Okay, 19. Oh boy. All right, last one, guys. Chippy doo. Nope, but 32 is fine with me. Let's go. And at $1, 2 cents. Wouldn't it be great if he gets that 20,000? Go. One more. Let's go. Okay, ready to go. Gotta be up to speed. Good try.
It's one of this volcano.
$12 right there. 2. Come on, baby. What'd you get? You got 41. Nice. Let's do 5. Oh, too bad. Come on, one more. Oh. Well, we're doing. It's not going in, so let's go down to 250. Get out. So the biggest I have is $8. We want the major. Give me that major, and I might stop gambling for today. I gotta learn how to walk, right? Right, Lori? Come on. Come on. Add him in. Big smackarino. Smackaroo, baby. Ba, baby. All right, now come on. Might as well hit this side, too. Hit them all. Let's get them all. Round them up. Move them out. 5. Last one. Come on, just one more, baby. You got it. How about that fancy music? Boom. I like it. Speed it up. How about $20,699 grando? 4th grand. I want a 4th grand. Come on. Darn it. I didn't get it. All right. Hey, I got some money. I'm rich. Build me up, Buttercup. Let's go. Beat me up. Ta-da. All right, 2. I like it. Oh, look what it just got. La 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 la. Ba 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 ba. Well, this one is not hitting. Very good. Come on, baby. One more. Boom, boom.
Look at that, $60.
60 bucks, and there he goes, Mr. Boo-Boo. Went out of 50 cents. Hey, that's better than what I've been hitting.
I'm actually only down $20.
I know you're rich. That guy is a super rich guy. I think I should date him.
Too bad that wasn't on $5.
One penny. 250. Let's go. We need a big win. Drop a big chip like a major, baby. I want a major. Do you want a major? I do. How about a case? Gold case? We like them. Nada. $30. Hey, it helps. Where's my case? Oh, stop it. He's in at 150. He's rich. He's tickling me. I'm going to tell Mama. One more. Gee whiz. Holy cow. This has been a bad morning at the Tulalip. We've got to take it easy. So let's add in some winners from the previous days. This was not a winning day on Lightning Lake, but watch these two. They're fun.
Oh, can we use a nice bump? Oh, blocker. Another blocker.
I have a feeling it may not be a good one. He's got $3. He's rich. What did you get? 12 bucks? Alright guys, that was not good. We're gonna try $1 denom again. You just, if we could get the orbs. Okay, there's 10. There's 7. Okay, can we get anything? The volcanoes would be fun. I don't see it. Oh boy. I don't really want to go up to $10. Oh, I got it. Thank you. Can I get orbs? The minor is 1,200. Hard to get the orbs sometimes on this. Come on, baby. Again, we just want all kinds of 2s. Or orbs. Oh, guys. It looks bad. No. Okay, I got 446. Wow. Okay. Yay. Oh, thank you. See where my ticket is? Yeah, baby. All right. I think I started with 400, right? Earlier today. Wow. Come on. I got it again. Wow. All right. Now that's when I want to hit that minor. The mini is 250. We got all the corners. Come on, baby. Drop something. Drop it, drop it, drop it. Like it's hot, baby. One more. No drop. That's weird, but that's okay. We're okay. We is okay. We're excited. Okay, that's low for $1, but that's all right. 10 times my bet. So let's see what else we can get. Come on, let's go. Come on, baby. Let's go to $10 real quick. We're gonna try $5 bet, $1 denom. Just gonna see where it is. It doesn't look good. We'll do one more. No, let's go up to $10. Let's go to 15 once. I got it. Oh, yeah. Yay. 15. I just had to add those 2 fun clips from previous days. I'm still searching for my grand, another grand, 4th grand. So my first grand on the Tiki Fire was at Tulalip last March. Let's go for the 4th one. That's why you keep seeing me go back to these. And sometimes they're set at 15,000.
So, and then they get up to about 20 grand and somebody hits them. One person hit it on a dollar bet, 1 cent Dino. That was amazing about a month ago. We were chasing that, and that was 20-some thousand. Wish me luck.
I'm ready. Go, 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 go. Last one. Save me, baby. Save me. It didn't. Okay. So we have 400 bucks. Okay. I do like that. 500. Thank you. Very good. Glad I came over here. Let's try one more.